Okay, this is how to search for a specific video on a YouTube channel. All right. First, launch your web browser. Here I'll be using Google Chrome for this. Okay. As your browser opens, visit youtube.com. Okay, once you're landed here successfully, you have an interface that looks like this. Note, this feature works only when you access YouTube through the web, just like as I'm doing through my PC. If you're using YouTube mobile app, it doesn't work at the moment. All right. So let's say I want to search for a particular video on a YouTube channel named Tech Informant. So I will type the name here, Tech Informant. Okay. Look at it here. Then I will click on the channel name. All right. So this shows some videos this creator has on his channel. So I know that I previously watched a video about AdSense on this channel. So what you need to do once you get to that channel, click on this search button here. All right, let me enable cursor highlighter so that you'll see what I'm doing well. Okay, so you click on this search button on that channel, not this one here, all right? This one on the channel. So click on it. Now type a keyword to the video you want to watch. You may not remember everything vividly, okay, but you know that the video was talking about is talking about a particular thing. Okay, so here I have watched this video on AdSense, so I will type AdSense as a keyword. Okay, AdSense. Then after that, once you are done typing the keyword, press the enter key of your computer keyboard or the return key, depending on the type of PC you're using. Okay, and now this has filtered down, showing me some videos this man did on AdSense. So you scroll down until you get to the one you want to watch and click on it. So it makes the work easy for you. Okay, so you get to a specific video on a particular YouTube channel. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology and insurance, so subscribe to learn, okay, in this area. This channel is still growing, so please help me grow it. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button, okay? See you next time.